Tawasaw in one word would be extravagant.
Life-changing.
Unity, honestly.
Bonding.
Transformative.
Community.
Tawasaw is the word. Every single event is like my first event because every single one is improving, and we're going out there and we're trying the things that we've never tried, and we're trying to do things that no one else has ever tried.
It brings out a change in you and the side of you that you never really expected. It helps you grow as a Muslim through responsibility and khidmah.
It has this ability to positively impact people's lives, no matter what stage of life that you're in, no matter where you are in your life, no matter where you are in your journey toward Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Man, I'm biased, but I gotta say Spider-Man.
Why Spider-Man?
Spider-Man because Spider-Man's always looking out for the little guy. You know, his whole thing is with great power comes great responsibility. And I think with Tawasaw, it's there's a great power in being able to just bring everyone into this one amazingly well-organized masjid.
I want to say Black Panther, kind of, with an interesting analogy, is because they have so many resources, and they're all hidden behind this like wall of grass, as you can maybe describe it, like the city of Wakanda. It's like hidden behind this wall, and they're trying to expose it in the best manner possible.
I would say that Tawasaw is the superhero inside all of us.
I think the superhero is each and every one of the people who participate in the Tawasaw events.